Look, free to return to that emo rap. Ain't no kilo stash, Augusta's son had to reload that. Daddy gone, but his legacy strong, how do you figure?
Alright guys, today we're at Pure Detailing, where we're going to be doing a big area in the vented, and then also we'll be doing the office in the dark grey PVC, so yeah.
Your goal that's highly explosive with my wife and my baby. What I'm writing is weighty. Call me Esso or Bebenberg. They knighting me lately. Stand where the light is. Feeling lighter, delighted, and maybe I'm getting grown. Nothing wrong with Bible and Baileys. I open up the text. Got my mind closer off the edge. Goes the architect. I ain't gotta go to your connect. I gotta go direct. Him and I through the sun up. I say him and I, bless up, rest. Has the right perspective. Back when I was driving a Vectra, my mind was on the setup and ease. No time for the let up and breeze. Young man with a vision, my ammunition was let off and squeezed. Talking no about it, so exotic. Go to mile and never hold a product. Though we wildin', we was on the island wave. Fast forward now today, thank God my mama prayed. Looking back and seeing all that God has made with his legacy. Daddy showed me the whole entire page. The depth of me, I will hold it and say Messiah's name. Gonna fire lane, but I also know that time will change. This entire frame is bound to go as far as the came. How you know it? The poets, they show it. I've been up and had my lowest, the lowest. I can't control this or hold this. To my final breath, I tell them this can go in the moment. So I pray over my daughter that her soul will have solace, you know.
Hey, we're on the money.
Just let a man breathe and just hush so my mind could just see, so my mind don't erupt. At times I feel I can't get enough, but I sip a double cup and I spin a couple bucks. Sending out some love to my blood, to my girl, to my buds, to the homie up above. And no more time for bigging up to these fakes who ain't around when the time's getting rough. 6 million ways to die, so I spit into this truth when I pray for lies. Everybody wanna talk, but all I hear is lies. Everybody been fake, all I see in their eyes. 6 million ways to die, so I spit into this truth when I pray for lies. Everybody wanna talk, but all I hear is lies. Everybody been fake, all I see in their eyes.
Loved you till my tears went silent. If this is war, I don't think I can fight it. Had to let you go, let it flow, cry. Can't say we didn't try. I'm bones and flesh, but I don't break. Built walls up so I can't escape. Wish I could say I was okay. What the fuck are you?
Jesus! Gary Star boys have cracked on. Mate, that looks unbelievable. I thought to do a roly-poly.
I thought you should do a roly
I think
poly.
we should do a roly-poly.
Let's do a roly poly.
Kristen and the flooring.
Let's do a roly poly.
Is it nice and soft?
It's not, well.
Oh, roly-poly approved. I'm a little bit ashamed to admit this. I was a little bit late this morning. I thought I'm going to get there about 9:30. They're going to have maybe unloaded the van. I turned up, and it's nearly done. So Gary Stahl, I don't know how you've done it in such a short amount of time, but thank you very, very much. You're a bouncer. Got any ID? Why did you want this flooring?
Main reason was for dust, really. To have the vented floor means obviously the dust sits underneath the floor.
Okay.
So if we've got like the door open and the wind blows in, we're not kicking up all our dust in the air for when obviously we're polishing, ceramic coating, just working on the vehicles.
And I wanted this because I just think it looks good.
Yeah, it does look amazing.
Ways to die, so I spit into this truth when I pray for lies. Everybody wanna talk, but all I hear is lies. Everybody been fake, all I see in their eyes. 6 million ways to die, so I spit into this truth when I pray for lies. Everybody wanna talk, but all I hear is lies. Everybody been fake, all I see in their eyes.
So all the full tiles are done. We've cut in the back bit nearly, and then we'll finish the other sides, the front, and then we're gonna lay the PVC in the office, and then we're done.
That's a rap, man. Enough of them facts, man. A slap to the face. Reality's backhand. I'm trying to keep it real and keep my stacks, fam. But empty's killing for a rack, rapping in a trash can. Like what you saying, dog, you need to backtrack. It's how you claim to be a rapper if you can't rap, fam. No, for real.
Can't get over it. Flooring looks absolutely sensational. Thank you so much to Gary Stahl. Massive bash to the lads. Now, we really need to pull our finger out, get the walls on, get the lights in, and get this detail factory cooking. Thank you so much. And to anyone that is on the fence about getting some new flooring, get in them DMs. I'll tell you now, you won't regret it. I love you. And throw it. Yeah, that's all I can do.